Listen up, you lot. Today, we're diving headfirst into the arena of kitchen appliances with the NutriBullet Ultra Personal Blender NB 50500 in sleek, sophisticated gray. This isn't some amateur hour gadget. This is a machine with the model number NB 50500 SKU 6553390, boasting a solid 4.6 out of 5 stars from a whopping 95 reviews. But the real question is, can it handle the heat in my kitchen? And more importantly, is it worth forking out a hefty $116.99? Over the next 10 minutes, we'll find out. Buckle up because this is going to be a bumpy ride. First things first, let's talk power. When you think of a blender, you might imagine a bulky, noisy machine that takes up half your kitchen counter. But the NutriBullet is here to change that perception entirely. This little beast packs a punch with a motor that could rival a Ferrari. Yes, you heard that right. The NutriBullet's motor is designed to deliver high performance, ensuring that whatever you throw at it, it can handle with ease. Don't let the compact size fool you. This blender is a workhorse. It's small enough to fit in any kitchen, yet powerful enough to tackle the toughest ingredients. Whether you're blending fruits, vegetables, or even nuts, the NutriBullet gets the job done. We're talking pulverizing fruits, obliterating vegetables, and crushing ice like it's nobody's business. Imagine making a smoothie with frozen berries and ice cubes. The NutriBullet will blend it all into a smooth, delicious drink in seconds. You want a smooth, silky smoothie? This bad boy delivers. No more chunks, no more uneven textures. Just pure, velvety goodness every single time. And it's not just smoothies, you can make soups, sauces, and even nut butters with this versatile machine. Need to whip up a quick salsa? Done and dusted. Throw in some tomatoes, onions, cilantro, and a squeeze of lime, and in seconds you've got a fresh, homemade salsa that's perfect for any occasion. And the best part? It's so bloody easy to use, even a donkey could figure it out. Seriously, the NutriBullet is designed with simplicity in mind. No need to read through a complicated manual or watch endless tutorial videos. No complicated settings, no fiddly buttons, just pure, unadulterated blending power at your fingertips. The interface is straightforward. Just twist the cup onto the base and you're ready to blend. It's that simple. You simply chuck your ingredients in, twist the cup, and bam! You've got yourself a culinary masterpiece in seconds. Whether you're a busy professional, a fitness enthusiast, or just someone who loves fresh homemade food, the NutriBullet is the perfect kitchen companion. It's efficient, powerful, and incredibly easy to use. So why settle for anything less when you can have the best? The NutriBullet truly is a powerhouse in disguise. Now let's address the elephant in the room, or rather the screaming banshee in the kitchen. This thing is loud. I'm talking wake the neighbors, scare the cat loud. It's like a jet engine trying to escape from a blender jar. Look, I can handle a bit of noise, but this is next level. If you're sensitive to sound, I'd invest in some earplugs before you even think about hitting that start button. It's a shame, really, because everything else about this blender is top-notch. But honestly, the noise is a bit of a deal-breaker for me. Alright, enough about the noise, let's dive into something that will make you smile. Let's move on to something a bit more positive, shall we? One of the standout features of this blender is its incredible convenience. One thing I absolutely love about this blender is its size. It's not just compact, it's perfectly designed to fit into any kitchen space, no matter how small. It's compact, it's sleek, and it doesn't take up half your countertop like some of those other monstrosities on the market. Imagine having a powerful blender that doesn't dominate your kitchen. You can easily tuck it away in a cupboard when you're not using it, freeing up valuable counter space for other activities. It's perfect for those who love a clutter-free kitchen, or even take it with you on the go. Whether you're heading to the office, the gym, or even on a weekend getaway, this blender is your perfect companion. Yes, you heard me right. This little fella is portable. It's designed for those who are always on the move and need their nutrition fix wherever they are. This little fella is portable. You can carry it in your hand or pack it in your travel bag without any hassle. It's lightweight and easy to transport. Just blend up your favorite smoothie, whether it's a mix of fresh fruits, vegetables, or even protein shakes. The powerful motor ensures a smooth blend every time. Screw on the lid and you're good to go. The secure lid ensures that there are no spills, making it perfect for travel. Perfect for those busy mornings when you're rushing out the door. You can have your nutritious smoothie ready in minutes, ensuring you start your day on the right foot. And it's not just for mornings. Enjoy your smoothie at work, share it with a friend, or have it as a post-workout refreshment. The possibilities are endless with this compact and convenient blender. Now let's talk speed. This blender doesn't just have one speed setting, oh no, it's got multiple speeds to cater to all your blending needs. Whether you want a gentle pulse for chunky salsas or a full-on blitz for creamy soups, this blender has got you covered. I love the versatility it offers. You're not just limited to smoothies and shakes, you can use it for grinding coffee beans, making nut butter, even whipping up a batch of homemade hummus. The possibilities are endless. Let's be honest, nobody enjoys cleaning up after a cooking frenzy. But with this blender, cleaning is a breeze. The parts are all dishwasher safe, so you can just chuck them in with the rest of your dishes and let the machine do the hard work. And if you're anything like me and prefer to wash things by hand, you'll be pleased to know that the blades are easy to remove and clean. No more awkwardly trying to scrub around sharp edges. This blender is designed for convenience from start to finish. So there you have it. The NutriBullet Ultra Personal Blender NB 50500. This compact yet powerful blender has been designed to cater to all your blending needs. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast looking to make protein shakes, or a busy parent needing to whip up quick and nutritious meals for the family. It's a powerful little beast that can handle pretty much anything you throw at it. From tough ingredients like nuts and seeds, to frozen fruits and leafy greens, this blender doesn't back down. Its robust motor ensures that everything is blended to a smooth consistency, making it perfect for smoothies, soups, sauces, and even baby food. It's compact, convenient, and easy to clean. The sleek design means it won't take up much space on your kitchen counter, and its lightweight build makes it easy to store away when not in use. Plus, the detachable parts are dishwasher safe, so you can spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your delicious creations. However, be warned, it's also louder than a foghorn. The powerful motor does come with a downside, the noise level. If you're planning to use it early in the morning or late at night, you might want to consider the impact on your household or neighbors. But for many, the performance outweighs the noise. But if you can get past the noise, this blender is a solid investment for any kitchen. Its versatility and efficiency make it a valuable addition to your culinary arsenal. Whether you're blending up a post-workout smoothie, preparing a healthy breakfast, or experimenting with new recipes, the NutriBullet NB 50500 has got you covered. At $116.99, with a model number of NB 50500 and SKU 6553390, and a stellar rating of 4.6 out of 5 stars, it's definitely worth considering. The price point is competitive for the quality and performance it offers, and the high customer ratings speak volumes about its reliability and user satisfaction. Now, if you'll excuse me, I've got a hankering for a smoothie. The NutriBullet NB 50500 makes it so easy to create delicious and nutritious drinks that it's hard to resist. Whether you prefer a classic strawberry banana blend or something more adventurous like a green detox smoothie, this blender can handle it all with ease. And maybe some earplugs. Thanks for watching. Remember, a little noise is a small price to pay for the convenience and performance of the NutriBullet NB 50500. Happy blending.